In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Start by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now grey. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!